Tan. I'm here to present you my MSc dissertation, which is a design of decision-making method for SaaS in cloud computing. I will start my presentation by giving you an introduction of my project, followed by how I conducted the research and how I validated it, and also I will conclude my presentation with the future work that I propose. The US National Institute of Standards and Technology has defined cloud computing with 5 attributes. These are on-demand self-service, ubiquitous network access, location-independent resources pooling, rapid elasticity, and pay-per-use. There are 3 typical service offerings in cloud computing. These are software as a service, which means the consumer can access to the software online without needing to install it in their own PC. Platform as a service, by which the resources such as the middleware and the database are provided to the developers to build the online application, and also infrastructure as a service, which means that the hardware such as the storage and server are provided by the third-party service provider. Now we are going to look into how SaaS is doing in the market. The Economist estimates the market for SaaS is growing 50% per year. And according to the Mimecast Cloud Computing Survey, 70% of the companies which are currently using cloud-based services are planning to adopt more SaaS services. And showing here is the key motivations of the consumer for adopting SaaS. First of all, it's because of the cost saving, as there is no upfront infrastructure cost, and also the pay-per-use licensing model is quite attractive to the consumer. Secondly, it's because the SaaS offer the shorter implementation time and also the lower failure risk during the implementation as well. However, despite all the benefits that SaaS can give to the consumer, there are still concerns on deploying the SaaS. The concerns are to meet the technical requirements, security, integration, and functionality. Therefore, the focus of this research is to derive a decision-making methodology that covers the concerns and risks prior to SaaS adoption. And the aim and objective are further explained in my dissertation. Right, the research foundation. Basically, I'm adopting the top-down approach to conduct my research, which I can summarize in 5 stages. So in stage 1 is to analyze the organization enterprise application portfolio, which in this stage I highly referring to the existing base framework. And the stage 2 is to conduct the application rationalization process, and in this stage the changes will be recommended